Hi everyone, we're here with the Hoover Total Home Pet. This is one of Hoover's newer, cheaper uprights that they offer. It does have a lot of features that I like though. It has a multi-road brush bar with 4 rows of brushes. It has the ability to shut the brush bar off. It has a removable hose and everything you could want, including a large dirt bin, so you don't have to empty it as much. So we're going to start here and continue to the rest of the house. It's always good to find the direction of your carpet that grooms it the best. last room. Alright, so we're back with the Hoover Total Home Pet. Let's finish with the last room. So give me a second, I'll wrap up the cord and show you the results. Alright, so we're here with the Hoover Total Home Pet. That was stuck to the vacuum by static. But you can see that we have quite a lot of pet hair inside this bin. Not a ton, but there is some dirt and some pet hair. So, wow. Looks like this is better than the Reacts. Because the Reacts, there will be dirt on this filter ahead of, like, before the bin is even full. But this, there's a wipe right here. There's a tiny bit of fine dust, but really not that much. Let's check the top part of the Cyclone. Again, not that much. You see there's a little bit of fine dust, but really not that much fine dust. A little bit. This is a single Cyclone, not a multi or dual or any. Or sorry, it is a, you could sort of consider it a dual Cyclone sort of thing. Hoover calls it a dual, I'd call it a single. You have the outer bin where the big stuff is stored, and then on the on the, these pieces of foam stuck to the machine. On the outer part of the machine, yeah, it's stuck on the outside of the vacuum. But anyway, I have to clean that off. But anyway, dust will go through those little holes, find dust, and then spin down into this cyclone right here. You can see the dust collected in that center portion. Then it all collects down in the bottom right here. The bottom's not clear, so we can't see exactly how much dirt is actually down in there. But not much at all, really. The performance of this Hoover seems to be pretty good. Let's check out the brush bar and see how much hair and dirt is stuck in the brush roll, which is barely any. There's one piece of hair right there that I can see. Another piece right here. And another piece right there. But really not much of anything. I think the performance off the bat testing this Hoover is really good. It seems to pick up a lot of dirt, a lot of pet hair, and a lot of sand. It's a lot better than some of the cheaper machines that I have used in the past, of the cheaper Hoovers, and it actually outperforms even some of the more expensive Bissells, like the Pet Hair Eraser Turbo, where this much pet hair clogged up the filter, and this machine does not have that problem. This filter is clean. As you saw, there was nothing in that filter. There wasn't even a piece of pet hair, or it was like basically nothing. That was really impressive. This Hoover is doing an excellent job at keeping all of that dirt out of the filter and inside of the bin and the cyclone. Let's check the post motor filter quickly, and then we'll see. As you can see, there's the motor right there. It's a pretty big motor, but the plastic is kind of sharp right there. But I don't see any carbon dust or dirt escaping. You can see the really thick, high quality seal on this filter. This shouldn't be leaking at all. I don't see anything. There's no dust in this filter at all. But we just got this machine, so I wouldn't expect there to be. You gotta really press that filter. You can see how squeezed in the seal is. There should not be any leakage around that HEPA filter. That thing is really jammed in there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this first test of the Hoover Total Home Pet. I think this is a really good, well, not first test, second test. I think this seems to be a really good budget-priced option for an upright vacuum at $130. It outperforms a lot of machines that have cost a lot more. And I think it does an amazing job on pet hair and dirt and dust and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.